Good morning, children. So in the previous class they are completed exercise 1.3 up to 6 sums they are completed. Now write the 7th question. The cost of 7 2/3 meters of cloth is rupees 12 3/4. Find the cost per meter. So what is given here? Given cost of 7 2/3 meters of cloth is rupees 12 3/4. You have to find the cost per meter. Okay. So cost of cloth per meter. So per meter, how much? How you have to find? So 7 2/3 meters of cloth is rupees 12 3/4. You can divide with this one. Okay. So 12 3/4 divided by 7 2/3. So these two fractions are in mixed fraction. You have to convert into improper. 4 12 48. 48 divided by 3. 48 plus 3. How much? 51/4. Divided by 3 7s 21 plus 2 23/3. Okay. So 51/4. Here 23/3 is there. If you transpose to here, what will become? It will be reversed. Okay. That means reciprocal 3/23. Any cancellation is there, children? Not there. So 51 into 3/4 into 23. Now multiple 3 1 3 3 5 15 by 4 3 is 12 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 153/92. So now you have to convert into mixed fraction. How many times? One time. 3 minus 2 1 15 minus 9 6. So 161/92. 161/92. Rupees 161/92. Okay. So cost of 7 2/3 meters of cloth is 12 rupees 3/4, and cost of cloth per meter means you have to divide from this one. Okay. Like that you can do. Next, see the 8th question. Find the area of a rectangular park which is 18 3/5 meters long and 8 2/3 meters broad. So here rectangular park is given. You have to find the area. Length is given and also breadth also given. You have to find the area of rectangular park. What is the formula of area of rectangle formula? What is given here? Given length of rectangular park equal to how much? 18 3/5 meters, and breadth of rectangular park equal to how much given? 8 2/3 meters. Now you have to find the area of rectangular part. So therefore, area of rectangular part equal to, what is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. What is the length? 18, 3 by 5 meters into breadth 8, 2 by 3 meters. Okay. These are mixed fractions you have to convert into improper. 5 into 8, how much? 40. Okay, 0. 5 ones, 5 plus 4, 90. 90 plus 3, 93 by 5 meters into 3 eighths, 24 plus 2, 26 by 3 meters. Now multiple. 93 into 26 by 5 into 3. Any cancellation is there, children? Yes, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Okay. Now multiple 31 into 26 by 5. 6 1 6, 6 3 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. 806 by 5. Now I should convert into mixed. 5 ones 5, 3, bring down 0, 5 6 30, bring down 6, 5 ones 5, 1 is remainder. So 161 into 161, 1 by 5 meter square. Why? Because it is area now, so that's why meter square. Okay, ma'am. Come on, write. Next question, see children, 9th one. What number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 11 by 4? Understand this statement, children. What number should be divided minus 13 by 16? You will get the answer minus 11 by 4. So which number you should divide it by minus 33 by 16 will get minus 11 by 4? We don't know. So that let the number be, let the number be x. Okay, now by the problem, what is given by the problem? Minus 33 by 16 divided by x equal to, what is the answer? Minus 11 by 4. That is given question. Okay. So minus 33 by 16. Here divided by x is there. If you transpose to here, what will become? Minus 11 by 4 into x. Here divided by x, if you transpose to here, what will become? Multiplication into x. Okay. Now minus 33 by 16. Here minus 11 by 14 is multiplied. If you transpose to here, what will become? Divide. Minus 11 by 4 equal to x. Okay. Now minus 33 by 16. Here divided by is there, you can convert into multiplication. Then the fraction will be reciprocal. That means 4 by minus 11. Okay. Equal to x. Now minus 33 into 4 by 16 into minus 11 equal to x. Cancellation do. 11 3s, 4 1s, 4 4s. So how much? Minus minus also will be cancelled. 3 1s, 3 by 4 equal to x. So therefore, what is that number? The number equal to 3 by 4. Okay, ma'am? Right. Next question, please children, 10th one. If 36 trousers of equal sizes can be stitched with 64 meters of cloth, what is the length of the cloth required for each trouser? So for 36 trousers of equal sizes required 64 meters of cloth. So you have to find length of the cloth required for each trouser. Okay. So how you have to find cloth required for 36 trousers. How much? 64 meters. Now cloth required for one trouser equal to, how you can do cloth required for one trouser, same as it is. We are done in 7th problem like that only. 64 divided by 36. Okay, 64 divided by 36. Now you can do the cancellation. 2 3 6, 2 2s 4, 2 1s 2 8s, again 2 1s 2, 2 6 12, 2 9 18. Okay, 16 by 9. 16 by, so cloth required for one trouser is equal to 16 by 9. We have to convert into mixed. 9 ones 9. 16 minus 9. How much? 7. So 7 by 9 meters. So cloth required for one trouser 7 by 9 meters. Okay, ma? Right. So the last question children in this chapter, 11th question. When the repeating decimal 0.363636 so on is written in simplest fractional form p by q, find the sum p plus q. Here repeating decimal is given, you have to write in the simplest fractional form p by q, and then you have to find the value of p plus q. Okay. How to write? Already we have done this type of sums in the second Roman. What is given? Given 0.363636 so on. Okay. So let x equal to 0.363636 so on. So which decimal it is? It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Which decimal it is? Non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. So this equation will be first equation. Now here what is the periodicity children? What is the periodicity here? Here the periodicity is, how many digits repeated here? 3 6 3 6. So 3 6 2 digits repeated. So here the periodicity is 2. So multiply equation 1 by 100 on both sides. On both sides. Multiple 100 into x, 100x, 100 into 0.363636 so on. Okay, 100x equal to 100 into, so here 2 zeros are there. So the decimal point will move to right side 2 digits. That is 36.363636 so on. Now this equation will be second equation. Subtract subtract first equation from second equation. Now subtract 100x is equal to 36.3636 so on, and first equation x equal to 0.3636 so on. Now subtract 100 minus x, how much? 99x equal to, these are zeros. 6 minus 0, 6, 3. So 36.0 so on. So what is the answer? 99x is equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 by 99. 36 by 99. Can you simplify this one? Yes, 3 table. 3 plus 3, 33. Again 3 4, 3, 11. So x equal to 4 by 11. So it is in the form of P by Q or not? Yes, it is in the form of P by Q form. Okay. Now you have to add P plus Q. Here P is equal to, what is the P? 4 and Q is equal to how much? 11. So therefore P plus Q is equal to 4 plus 11. How much? 15. So P plus Q is equal to how much? 15. Okay, ma? Right.